Today we're reviewing stock number 181405 on a 2017 GMC Sierra Crew all-terrain, and our exterior color is gray. Interior options include power windows, locks and mirrors, power folding mirrors, memory seats, premium audio system, power seats with lumbar support, leather wrap upholstery, sunroof, light controls, four-wheel drive controls and trailer brake, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, heated steering wheel, hands-free communication and audio controls, wireless charging pad, OnStar with garage door opener, sunroof controls, CD AM FM radio with auxiliary, climate control with AC, heated seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, rear cargo lamp controls, parking assist controls, and hill descent controls. And our interior color is black. Moving under exterior features, we have running boards, alloy wheels, mud flaps, tailgate step, rear parking assist, backup camera, spray-on box liner, and more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, 60/40 split bench seats with center armrest and cup holders, sliding rear window, and you can fold the seats up for more storage space. Once again, we're viewing stock number 181405 on a 2017 GMC Sierra Crew, and our exterior color is gray.